Hi everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So here in this tutorial, I'm going to show you this amazing Django based web messenger with the help of which you can create your own groups, you can invite your friends, and also you can chat with them. So in this tutorial, without wasting any time, I'm going to first show you how this application works, and later on I'm going to tell you about what all things we have used in the backend for making this application work as a messenger. So stay tuned and let's check out the functionalities of this application. So this is a home page which the user is going to see when he will first open the chatbot on his browser. So I have currently opened it on two different windows. So here we have it opened on Edge, and here we have it opened on the Chrome browser. Now I'm going to first create two profiles. Okay, one on this browser and the other one on the Edge browser, and then I'm going to show you how we can create groups and then we can chat with our friends. So let's just do a sign up, and here we have to enter a username. So I'm quickly doing it. Let me enter Daksh over here, and email ID is going to be daksh@gmail.com, and password is daksh123. And here also I need to enter the password again, and I have successfully created a profile on this platform. Okay, so we have these options on the top which we are going to discuss about later on, but let me first quickly create another profile on this platform. So let's do a sign up again, and here I'm going to create a profile with name Mitakshi, and mitakshi@gmail.com, and Mitakshi123, Mitakshi 123. So I successfully created another profile on this platform with username Mitakshi, and let me just do no thanks for now. Okay, so I'm going to first check out the edit option. Let's see what do we have over here. So okay, I can change the username, okay, and I can change the email ID, and then I can update the profile. So for now I don't want to do anything like that. I'm going to come back on the home page, and here I can search for different people who are using the application. So I'm going to search for a name Gaurav. Okay, I created a profile with name Gaurav some while back before shooting this video. So let me see if I can view the profile of Gaurav or not. So yes, we have a profile with name Gaurav registered on the platform, and if I click over here, yes, I can send the request to this person, a friend request, and that's how a friend request can be sent. Besides that, if you see over here, we have two different options, one with name friends and the other with name request. So currently I don't have any friends, that's the reason it's completely blank. Let's come on request, and I would like to just send a request to a person. Okay, how to do that? Let me I can see whether I have received a request not from anyone, right? Not for sending the request, but whether I have received any request not. So currently I don't have any request in the in my panel. Let's come over here. So here also, if I just give it a refresh, and if I do a request, I don't have any request here also. So let me do one thing. Let me send a request to Mitakshi from Daksh's profile and see what's gonna happen. So here I have to come on request, and let's do a search, and here I have to search for Mitakshi's profile. So with this name we can search it easily. Yes, we do have a profile with name Mitakshi registered on the panel, and let's do Mitakshi, and then we have to click this button for sending the request. Okay, request send it successfully. So we have sent a request successfully to Mitakshi. Let's see whether we have anything over here or not. So I'll have to quickly refresh it, and yes, we do have a request over here from Daksh, and let me just click on this button. Okay, so I do have a button visible to me which says accept request. Let me just accept the request which has come from Daksh. Okay, so now Daksh is my friend. As you can see, it's showing in my friends list to me. Okay, now let me just do this. Okay, so I have this chat window opened on which which I can use for sending messages to Daksh and also receiving messages from him. Let me quickly send a message to Daksh then. Hi Daksh. Okay, before that, let me quickly come on Daksh's panel and see if we have anything in the friends list or not. So I have to quickly refresh it, and yes, we do have a friend in the friends list of Daksh with the Mitakshi, and let's come on this Mitakshi's panel, and I'm going to send a message to Mitakshi from Daksh's panel quickly. Hi, Daksh. Okay, how are you? Is it okay? Just a second. So this is Daksh's panel, and he's going to talk to Mitakshi, and here I have to type Mitakshi, right? Because I'm sending a message to Daksh, so I need to type, hi Daksh, how are you? Let's send it. And do we have the message over here? Yes. So Mitakshi has received the message over here, as you can see. And okay, sorry, it's not Mitakshi, it's Daksh. Sorry. Yeah. So Daksh has received the message from Mitakshi. And let me just quickly respond to this message. Hi Mitakshi, I am doing fine. Okay, how about you? Let's send the message, and yes, we have the message over here, and also we have the timings coming over here, right? Let me quickly send the message to Daksh now. I'm also fine. Need to know about the new computer teacher who has recently joined the school. Okay, let's send the message, and yeah, we have received the message over here, and we have the timings also over here, right? So that's how this panel can be used. This application can be used for just like a messenger. Let's go back. Let me just log out from the application, and I'm going to log in as Gaurav now. And here I have to enter the password for Gaurav. Okay, I think it's okay. So it says I think I need to give the Gmail address. Okay, I've successfully logged in, right? And I can see, we have Amit as a friend in the friends list of Gaurav, and let me see whether we have anything in the request panel or not. Yes, we do have a request which has come from Mitakshi. Let me just accept it. Okay, so I've accepted the request. Okay, now we have two friends in the friends list of Gaurav, and let me just go back. And here we have the Mitakshi's panel open, and we can see there is another friend added to the friends list of Mitakshi, which is Gaurav. Let me just talk to Gaurav. Hi Gaurav, how are you? Sending the message. Mitakshi, okay, we have received a message from Mitakshi. Cool. So that's how this application works. Hi Gaurav, I am fine. How about, sorry, hi Mitakshi, I am fine. How about you? Right, let me quickly send it. And yes, we have this message over here. Okay, so this is a simple, very simple, very basic Django web application with the help of which people can talk to each other. They can make friends, right? And if you want, you can, search for your friends over here. You can search for different people who have registered on this panel, like, this, and then you can simply send them the request. If they don't accept the request, you don't get to see them in your friend list. Okay, so this is how the application works. And in the backend, if I'll tell you, there is simple your Django code written, right? We have used serializers over here with the help of which we are able to make the communication a real-time communication. If you see here, we are still sending the requests. See, the requests are being sent, and the backend is sending the request. It is triggering the messages, and also it is looking for new messages. Fine. So serializers, yes, makes our life very simple when it comes to creating things like chatbot and real-time applications. If you want to know more about these, and if you want to learn to build these kind of applications, real-time applications, you can take my coding classes, and also you can take my help. I will be happy to help you guys out. Thank you very much for being there in this tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you very much. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, take care, and have a great day ahead, guys.